Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to be touching on fiberglass mouldings. I've got a few laying around, but I haven't finished any. Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, as you just saw, I do have hoodies and t-shirts now. Please go click on the link down below and pick one of them up. It's going to fund the fiberglassing, so I can get some more material, because it's not cheap to start off to get a product going. So I'll go through the products, guys. So we have Widebody flare, so it's a stock flare on there, but it'll be all one piece, so it'll end up being an inch and a half wider. This is the mould. We've done the mould, we've just run out of material. Then we have the rear flare, which is, I've produced a set and they are on my car. They have been holding up very good. So again, it's a bit wider, so that's the mould there. Then we have the STI fog light cover with a bit of a cold air intake, so that's the mould there. So again, I've got a mould, I haven't produced one yet. I do want to fill these bits in to make them a bit stronger. So like I did over here, I'll tape it up and then fill it in with the gel coat. This has to come up really good. I don't think I've actually shown you guys this, but yeah. What do you guys want to see first? Cold air vent for the fog light. I've already done the rear flares, you've seen that. Or the wide body front fender. This is the left hand side. I have not gotten to the right hand side yet. I do want to make this first, see how it comes out. Eventually I do want to make these in carbon. It'd be really good. Yeah. So this section here, and that section where possibly the tyre could rub, I'll try to get some Kevlar in there, so it's just not going to destroy it if it does scrape it. And also this edge along here, guys, this is obviously optional, this is stock, so that's how much extra girth you get. Let's have a look from the other side. So from where the blue stops, that's how much extra you'll get. What do you think, guys? You keen on getting the fenders done first? I know I am. Alright, I'm going to clean these up. Alright, I'm going to have to clean up this edge quite well. Very close to the edge where you can see the PVA. Because it's going to be a very tight fit up this end. I believe it's that end. Oh, I'm confused now. Yeah. It's a very tight fit up there. So you trim that there. Also here as well, this end. Yeah. So I'm going to put my mask on, and I'm going to use the angle grinder just to get that down. Alright guys, that has made it so much better to access those areas. Heaps better. So, time to clean it up, see if it needs any little touch-ups. I know this edge is going to need a touch-up on the piece when it comes out, so it's actually added on, so just sand it off. So what I'll actually do is actually mount the piece to my car, which hasn't been in an accident, so it's straight. Every single piece that comes out will be mounted on my car, sanded, fitted, make sure the lines are good. But if you do end up ordering one of these guys, it will be in the gel coat, but it will be sanded and perfect. So all mounting points. This mounting point under here, I may even put a riv nut in there for the bumper. Clean up all the sharp edges. Alright guys, I've trimmed it up pretty good. There's just some bits of clay still on there, which I'll get off later. And here as well, where the mounting points for the flare was. So yeah, I'll go at the back and clean it up with some water. Right, so I've got a brush, got some water. That's all it really should need to get the PVA off. Oh, my legs are sore. Oh. Dirty that was. Look at that. It's already coming off. It's just water. Hey guys, you can see the brush stroke from when I put the PVA on, so this is going to need a bit of a sand, otherwise all that brush stroke will come out onto the piece. So light sand to get rid of that. Do want to try to keep this sharp edge on the flare so it kind of looks standard, if you know what I mean. There are some little imperfections, but that'll be sanded out of the piece because it will be a bump, whereas I'd have to fill it here. I don't mind doing that. Yeah, slowly getting there. Alright guys, just doing a little bit of a sand, just getting the brush strokes out. Obviously the less work we need to do post-production the better, but we can take these brush strokes out here and after it's come out, so we're not taking too much off here. We're changing the shape. Right, so that's done, sitting in the sun. Main thing here is to get these little holes that I used to put the flange. So these are holes in the original guard that I made by putting screws through it. So I need to sand them off so it's flush. And sand that down and that down. Take the Subaru off it. What do you guys think? Should I emboss Harrod's Garage into the guard somewhere, or just put it on the inside of the guard once it's made? Alright guys, finished the prep on the wide guard. Alright guys, I'm going to finish this episode here. I've got a poll up in the top corner. What fiberglass part do you want to see me do first? The guard, the fog light cover, or the rear flares? I've already done the rear flares, just haven't put them into production. Everything is on hold because I don't have any material. But what one would you like to see? And what would you be interested in? Comment down below guys. I will see you in the next episode. Bye.